The title of the video you are about to watch is called Nokia. What is Nokia? Nokia can be defined as a comment that I saw in the comment section of a video where I talk about the importance of upgrade that reads, all of this talk is not for CEO, we guide. Guide in this comment is a slogan that means wealthy. So if I'm to put this comment in its proper English form, I will say all of this talk is less of a wealthy CEO concern, right? So my brother, I don't know your definition for wealthy. I don't know your definition for guide. So I want to ask you, what is the number or figure that once someone have it in his or her account, to you is wealthy? Guide, wealthy CEO. How many millions? How many billions? I promise you that the figure that is in your head right now is behind the figure of Nokia CEO. Where is Nokia today? Why is nobody talking about Nokia again? Nokia did not do anything wrong. Nokia was best at what they do. Where is Nokia today? All of the talk, no be for CEO we guide. Nokia CEO guide. Even the guide, na triple barrel. Where is Nokia today? And what was responsible for their fall? They refused to adapt to the revolution of smartphone. Because people love Nokia. When other brands started producing Android, Nokia refused to let go of what used to work. Nokia believed that their button phone will still be performing well like it used to among Androids. When it was down on Nokia that they made a mistake in year 2013, they sold their share to Windows and produced the first Android phone to give you Windows experience. Lumia was good, people no buy am. CEO we guide produce Android, we say give you Windows experience, they still no buy am because it take before they do am. Had it been that when other brands was producing Android, Nokia follow suit. Nokia will still be number one today. So people don't give a F about the digits in your account if what you are producing is not solving their problem. When you produce something and people are not buying, it's not because they don't know value. It's not because they are stupid, but because what you are producing is not solving their problem. In that video, I said every money that change hand, a problem was solved. People don't give a F about your idea if it doesn't attend to their need. The too easy way for a growing brand to fall is first holding on to what used to work. Secondly, tuning out the voice of the people about their need. You don't ask people, you don't look at the market like what is selling, what the people want. You prioritize what is already in your own head. You are not forcing, you are not trying to force people with advert to buy it. They're not buying it, you believe you know best. No. Branding, upgrading, no matter how big you are, is inevitable. You have to be doing it. Else, that thing wey dey your account will make you think say you guide, you go spend and finish. You go spend and finish. No, let's come to Nigeria. Yeah, let's come to Nigeria. Have you been to Vodi store before? Have you been to Yomi Casual store? Do you think that if these people were still selling clothes the way they used to in year 2010, they will be where they are today? CEO we guide. Oh no, because the name on the clothes is Vodi. Oh, it's Yomi Casual. Even if it doesn't meet with what is selling now, they just buy it. My brother, erase such mindset, please, that you may not be like Nokia. Nokia did not do anything wrong. Nokia was best at what they do. But where is Nokia today? Because they refuse to adapt to the revolution of smartphone. That was the mistake of Nokia, no more, no less. Maybe Nokia too think say because their CEO guide, that is why they no upgrade. Where Nokia today? My brother, do not be Nokia. My sister, do not be Nokia. That is why upgrading is very, very important. My dashiki masterclass is still selling for 5,000 naira for early birds. By the time we are done with our upgrading, with the upgrade I want to do to the class, the price will increase. So before we activate the new price, if I were you, I will secure my slot with just 5,000 naira now, so that I won't pay extra cost for the upgrade. Peace and love.